yo, equal, drop my shit.
Oh na na, oh na na,
Equal.
and there we go.
What the? Fresh on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lotta with the Fro, you know what it is. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this braid out look. Please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, let's communicate. Text, let's say text, wow. Leave a comment down, let me get to know you. Tell me what kind of videos you would like for me to film, okay? Stay tuned, keep watching, and God bless. I'll be starting this braid out on stretched hair. And I'm going to put a side pattern because that's how I want the braid out to look. Next, I'm going to put my hair into sections so that it's easier for me to work with.
Still got connects, but markless. Studio be my office. They on the D, man, offense. Top of your post, me a target. I'm on this, man, a root boy, no conscience.
I'm dividing the sections into smaller sections so that it's easier for me to work with. I'll be using the curl Lotta defining curl custard first on my hair, and I'm applying it from roots to tips. Next, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel. This is black castor oil and flaxseed one. And I'm also applying down my hair from root to tips. And last, I'm going to be using extra virgin oil and also applying that to the body of my hair to the tips. Then I'm going to do single braids. And as you can see, the root is not tight, but the body of the braid is tight. The more tight it is, the more definition you're gonna get.
Light up the vibe in this party. I had to get started. Now they got police to come for me.
As I come to the ends, I apply gel on the ends, and then I'm going to twist it and then twirl it. This will help me get definition on my ends. For the front section, I'm going to do a flat braid, not a single braid. This just saves more time. So I'm applying my curling custard first. As you can see, after I applied the curling custard on my gel, I started to see white residue on my hair, and this ended up giving me white flakes. But then I changed the product after I discovered this. You're gonna see that shortly. So here I'm just braiding the hair flat, like so. Sometimes products give you white residue. Some products just don't work with gels, and that's fine. All you have to do is change it. Twirling the ends. So this wasn't working, and now I'm using my Lotta Body Moisturizing Curl Milk, and I use it to do the rest of the sections. So I applied this first, just a small amount, and then I worked my gel and my oil all together, and I'm braiding my hair. It's real easy, guys. That hurts.
I love it when you smile at me. You will never have to
Twirl the ends. So this is one of the most important steps, using bobby pins. This helps me elongate my braids out or my twist out. It keeps the style stretched so you get the most length in your style. So I just pin the hair on the opposite side so that it's long. Next, I'm going to be using my satin scarf to secure the hairstyle, and yeah, I go to bed, and this is the next day. So I'm taking off the pins from my hair. And my hair is fully dry. It's completely dry because I did this on stretched hair. And I'm using olive oil on the palm of my fingers. Wow, the palm of my fingers. So as you can see, I'm loosening this like carefully. I'm not like scattering the definition. I'm just taking it out individually. I'm not trying to lose my curl patterns. I don't know if you understand, but you can see in the illustration. I'm just using my fingers to take out the braids, but not comb it out with my fingers. I'm gonna show you guys again. When you get good at this, you can literally just like unravel it by itself. You just pull the two opposite sides to save time. That's what I'm doing. The key to having a successful braid out is doing it on stretched hair, and then also making your braids quite tight so that you get more definition. And then when you're taking down the braids, you take it apart gently. You don't use your fingers to comb out your curls. If not, it's just gonna look frizzy. If you can't do this hairstyle on stretched hair, it's okay. Just enable or make sure that your hair is properly dried.
Sugar toe and t-shirt, I'm a smooth papa. I take it easy cause you know the flow too dapper. You're a hottie, but to me you're a cool mama. Mama, teach me how to love you, take me back to school, mama.
Just taking down the braids. As you can see, my hair has that shine thanks to the olive oil. Olive oil really comes through with the shine. Last but not least, I'm done taking out the braids. Some people can leave their hair like this, but I need more volume, so I'm still fluffing out my curls using my fingers. Each place that I see space in my curls, I open it naturally. I don't force a new definition out. I just look at the way my hair is, and then I follow it. And then I'm using this afro comb to give a volume, to lift my roots, just to give my hair a fuller appearance. Still using my fingers as well. Just look at it in the mirror and see what exactly you're looking for. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know what kind of videos or hair tutorial or lifestyle videos you want me to film. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be updated anytime I drop a video like this, press the notification button. Okay, bye guys.